y'all haven't been to Packs before, on the weekends there's a line to get in. It's a popular boat ramp for good reason. But if you get here on the weekend, you're going to find that this left side right here is your prep side. You're going to come over on the left side, you're going to park for just a quick minute while you're in line, and you're going to prep your boat however you need to do that. And then as soon as it's your turn, you get down on the ramp, you shove off, and then you go and you park your truck as quickly as possible, get off the ramp, because you're going to upset some people. That's what you're going to do on the left side here. Y'all catching anything? So we're out here at Packs Landing. I'm out on this deck that's all the way out on the lake after that long, beautiful hike. I'm sorry, it's a short, beautiful hike. Packs Landing is packed. I know that's not why they named it Packs Landing, but it'd be a good name for it. They should have called it Packed Landing. Y'all can see the trestle off in the distance. Let's go have a look at that baby. This is the CSX Santee River's main channel railroad bridge, and it's part of the Seaboard Coastline Railroad. It's a pony plate girder bridge, so 2,450 foot long. It's pretty good size, and it's actually the oldest of the three bridges that goes across the lakes. Now, this railroad separates Sumter and Clarendon County, and if you look here where the river, the Santee River is, the Santee River actually divides Calhoun County from Sumter and Clarendon as well. And if y'all get a chance, y'all step on into Packs Landing Bait and Tackle Shop. The Packs brothers, or the Packs, have been here for decades taking care of people. In fact, a lot of people just come back around to the area just because of pure nostalgia. That Packs is always going to keep your striper and catfish, herring on stock. They've got a couple places to stay there if y'all want to just have a weekender fishing. They got good bait and tackle there. The Packs have always got good guide service out of there. So nobody knows Sparkleberry Swamp like the Packs. So feel free to stop in there and get everything you need, and maybe hear a story while you're there. And if you want a little bit further walk, you can hit the Palmetto Trail, and it's right off of this deck. I don't know if you can see that. Here we go. We're going off the deck, and let's go do it. Beautiful area to hike. If y'all haven't been out here, you need to come check that out. It's a great place to fish, spend time with your family. It's just if you come out here, you'll know right away why it's a popular boat ramp. Just watch your feet. A warm day like this in the spring, snakes are gonna be out catching some of them rays like we need to be. Get outside. COVID's got everybody held up in their house. If you can, get out. It's good for you. Beautiful part of the Palmetto Trail. Look at that. Looks like I've left my wife way in the back. So I'm gonna go back there and find out where she is. You can't lose your little wife on a trip like this. It's bad. Did y'all hear that? Did it pick up on camera? Well, there's no B-roll. It's all A-roll. She called me an A-roll. What's she trying to say? Hmm?